Radical Skincare Advanced Peptide Antioxidant Solution is a targeted anti-aging serum that works morning and night to fight the 16 causes of aging. Rich with 2 hexa-peptides and 9 antioxidants, our formula was clinically proven to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, help improve elasticity and skin firmness while leaving your skin feeling soft and smooth. In a clinical study, 100% of the participants measured improvement in wrinkle reduction, wrinkle width and depth, and an improvement in skin radiance. The unique color of our serum reflects the 9 powerful antioxidants that help to defend against free radicals attack. Resveratrol, coffee berry, green tea, and grape seed lead the charge. No wonder this radical powerhouse won the Elle Genius Award. Radical skincare is paraben-free, clinically proven, designed for all skin types, and works for even the most sensitive skin. The best of the best in antioxidants and anti-aging ingredients that uses Trylacel, our proprietary breakthrough technology, to keep it potent and powerful to deliver results. Protect and repair skin from 16 identified causes of aging. The triple potency action of Trylacel technology is a multitasking must-have to achieve fast and visible results. Whatever your age or skin type, the serum is the ultimate broad-spectrum anti-aging partner that will deliver radical results. In a clinical study in just 60 days, 96.7% of the participants saw 44.56% improvement in firmness and 96.7% of the participants saw 135.34% improvement in elasticity. 100% of participants said that skin felt softer and hydrated all day. Driven by the passion of the Edlich sisters and their father, Dr. Richard F. Edlich MD PhD, one of America's leading plastic surgeons and skin healing specialists, Radical Skincare delivers more antioxidant potency than leading prestige brands, and maximum levels of anti-aging skincare ingredients. Our commitment is that every person loves their skin and their life. A powerhouse antioxidant collagen-boosting anti-lines serum that shields against the free radicals responsible for skin aging, that repairs past damage and defends against future damage, applied day and night after cleansing on face and neck, and follow with Radical Skincare Anti-Aging Restorative Moisture, and our Eye Revive Crème, the only serum that fights 16 causes of aging while reducing the number of wrinkles and their depth, improves skin elasticity and firmness, and increases hydration and softness of the skin. Stimulate your skin's metabolism with 9 powerful antioxidants and vitamin C to help fight breakouts and get the red out of sensitive skin. Trylacel technology enables maximum concentration of actives for maximum delivery to all skin types and keeps the antioxidant potency and performance in the cream to deliver maximum benefits and high-quality results quickly. For more info and special discounts, please click the link below.